24th question. A die is thrown twice. What is the probability that first 5 will not come up either time, second 5 will come up at least once? Hint is throwing a dice twice and throwing two dice simultaneously are treated as the same experiment. So throwing a die two times or throwing two dices at one time, they are treated as the same experiment. So the question is saying a die is thrown twice, then the probability that 5 will not come up either time will. So for that we have to write the sample space of two dices. So here is the sample space of two dices. Now the first one is probability 5 will not come up either time. The probability is we have to find. So how many cases, how many outcomes are there when there is no 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then all these have 5. Then 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So 25 favorable outcomes are there when there is no 5. So 25 divided by total outcomes are 36. So 25 by 36. This is the probability that 5 will not come up either time. Second probability, second one, probability that 5 will come up at least once. At least once means at least once, it can be twice also. So those probabilities are 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 5, 4. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 5, 6. So 11 favorable outcomes are there when 5 will come up. 6 are these and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are these. So 11 total outcomes are favorable. So 11 by total outcomes are 36. So 11 by 36. This can also be calculated as 1 minus 5 will not come up either time, because at least one is 1 minus not happening. So it can also be 1 minus 25 by 36, which will also be 11 by 36. So probability 5 will not come up either time is 25 by 36. Probability 5 will come up at least once is 11 by 36.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.